In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use location-based alerts in the Trello app so you can receive email reminders that include location details. This is a simple but powerful way to make sure you never forget tasks tied to a specific place. Whether it's reminding yourself to pick something up when you're in a certain city or preparing for a meeting at a specific location, Trello makes it easy to combine location data with due date email alerts. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board where you want to create your location-based alert. Once you're inside your board, create a new card. You can click the Add a Card button under any list you prefer. Give the card a clear name. For this example, we'll call it Location 5, but you can name it anything that matches your task. After creating the card, click on it to open the full card view. Inside the card, look for the Add button on the right-hand side menu. Click on Add and then choose Location. This allows you to attach a physical location to the card. In the search bar that appears, type the name of the location you want to use. For example, you can type Alameda. From the drop-down list, select Alameda, CA, USA, or the correct location that matches your needs. Once selected, the location will now be attached to your card. Next, we'll attach a due date so Trello knows when to trigger the alert. Inside the same card, click on Dates. Choose the specific date you want, for example, the 26th of the month, and adjust the time if needed. After selecting the correct date and time, click Save. Now your card has both a location and due date attached. You can close the card to return to your board. Now comes the automation part that turns this into an email alert system. At the top of your Trello board, click on the Automation button. This opens Trello's built-in Butler automation features. From here, click on Email Reports, then select Due Soon. This report automatically sends emails about cards that are approaching their due date. On the right side of the screen, you'll see an email preview. This preview shows you exactly what the email will look like when it's sent. Since your card includes both a due date and a location, those details will appear in the report, allowing you to receive a reminder that includes the location information. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click on Schedule Report. Choose how often you want the report to be sent, such as daily, and confirm the schedule. After scheduling, you can close the panel. And that's it. You've now set up a location-based alert in Trello using a card with a location and due date, combined with an automated Due Soon email report. This method is a great workaround for creating practical location reminders delivered straight to your inbox. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.